Hello, welcome again. We are solving some questions of fluid mechanics. The topic is kinematics and dynamics of flow. Question number 12 is the x component of velocity in a two-dimensional incompressible flow is given by u is equal to 1.5x at the point x y is equal to 1 0. The y component of velocity v is equal to 0. The equation for the y component of velocity is option A v is equal to 0, option B v is equal to 1.5 by, option C v is equal to minus 1.5x, option D v is equal to minus 1.5 by. So here the for steady and incompressible flow, the continuity equation is curly v by curly x plus curly v by curly y for two dimensional flow. Okay, here u is given as 1.5x and u is function of x and y. Okay, so it is curly v by curly x is 1.5 and curly v by curly y is your uh, same thing and is 0. So curly v by curly y comes out as 1.5. So integrating it will give b minus 1.5 by plus c. Okay, okay. So this constant c can be found out by using x by using the velocity 0 at x equal to 1 by equal 0 by equal 0. So c comes out as 0, so it means b is at minus 1.5 by. Okay, so answer is minus 1.5 by, option D is the right answer. Next, the laminar flow takes place between closely spaced parallel plates as shown in figure. Below, the velocity profile is given by u is equal to v y by h. Okay, the rate of rotation of fluid particle is given by option A omega y is equal to 0, omega z is equal to minus v by 2z, option B omega y is equal to 0, omega z is equal to minus v by h, option C omega y is equal to y by v by h and omega z is equal to v by h, and option D omega y is equal to minus v by h and omega z is equal to 0. So u is equal to v by h into y and v 0 w 0. Okay, so finding out omega x, omega y and omega z. So omega z is 1 by 2 curly v by curly x minus curly v by curly y. Okay, so curly v by curly x is 0 and curly v by curly x is 0 because v is 0, and curly u by curly y is your y by v by h. Okay, so it comes out as minus v by 2h, and omega y is your 1 by 2 curly u by curly z minus curly w by curly x. So this is 0 because this is not the function of z, and omega is 0, so that is 0. So omega y is 0 and omega x is 0 because v and w are 0. Okay. So answer is option B. Omega y is minus v by h and omega z is 0. Okay. Sorry, answer is this quantity, option B. Omega z is minus v by h and omega y is 0. So it should be B. Omega z is this should be B. Next, the two flows are specified as A v u is equal to y, v is equal to minus 3 by 2x, b u is equal to xy square and v is equal to x square y. Which one of the following can be included? Option A, both flows are rotational. Option B, both flows are irrotational. Option C, flow is irrotational while flow is rotational while the flow B is irrotational. Option D, the flow A is irrotational while the flow B is rotational. So here for the first flow, sorry, u is equal to y and v is equal to minus 3 by 2x. Okay. And omega z is 1 by 2 curly u by curly x minus curly u by curly y. So minus 3 by 2 and it will be minus 1. So it will be minus 5 by 2 or multiply 2 1 by 2, so it will be minus 5 by 4. So flow is rotational because omega z exists. Now for flow B, u is given as x y square and v is given as x square y. Omega z is 1 by 2 curly v by curly x minus curly v by curly y. So curly v by curly x is 2xy and curly v by curly y is again 2xy. So this is 0. So it means the omega z is 0 and there is the flow is irrotational. Okay, so this flow is irrotational. Okay. So answer is option C. Next, a steady incompressible flow is given as u is equal to 2x square plus y square and v is equal to minus 4xy. What is the convective acceleration along x direction at point 1, 2? Option A, ax is equal to 6 units. Option B, ax is equal to 24 units. Option C, ax is equal to minus 8 units. Option D, ax is equal to 24 units. So here the u is your 2x square plus y square and v is equal to minus 4xy. So ax is du by dt curly by curly x. So using chain rule, curly by curly x and curly x by curly t plus curly by curly y, curly by curly t. So ax this term will be u and this term will be v. So this will be u curly u by curly x and v curly u by curly y. Okay, so curly u by curly x is your 2 into 2x, that is 4x, because curly u by curly x is 2x, and u is your sorry, curly u by curly x is 2x, sorry, 2 into 2, 4x, and curly u by curly y is your 2y. Okay, because it's y square, and so ax will be 4x, 4x, this curly by curly, and 2x square plus y square, and v 2y minus 4xy, or it will be 8x cube plus 4xy square minus 8xy square. So that will be 8x cube minus 4xy square. So 1 to 8 minus 4 into, you put x equal to 1, y equal to 8 minus 8 minus 18. So answer is C.